Hello everyone, this is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst here at IronFX, bringing you the technical updates for the 4th of October. Today I would like to describe the technical outlook of Euro-Dollar, which fell back below the support, now turned into resistance level of 111.90. I would also like to talk about AUDUSD, which traded lower following the RBA policy decision. So let's start our treatment with Euro-Dollar. Euro-Dollar traded lower on Monday after it hit resistance at 112.50 on Friday. In the absence of a clear trending structure on the 4-hour chart, I prefer to maintain my flat stance with regards to the short-term picture. Nevertheless, during the early European morning Tuesday, the rate fell below 111.90. Something that makes me believe it may continue lower for a while. I would expect the bears to remain in the driver's seat and target the 111.50 support, where a clear break is possible to target the 111.25 area. Our momentum studies corroborate my view. The RSI fell back below its 50 line, while the MACD has topped slightly above zero, turned negative and crossed below its trigger line. What's more, both the indicators fell below their respective upside support lines. Zooming out to the daily chart, I see that the pair is still trading within the sideways range between 108 and 115. As a result, I keep my neutral stance with regards to the longer term outlook. Now let's continue with Aussie dollar. This pair traded somewhat lower during the Asian morning Tuesday after the RBA kept its interest rates unchanged and maintained a neutral stance overall. The rate continued trading lower during the early European morning Tuesday. Having in mind that Aussie dollar is trading below the downside resistance line taken from back at the peak of the 10th of August, and also below the short-term uptrend line drawn from the low of the 19th of September, I would expect the slide to continue for a while. Clear dip below the 0.7645 line is possible to pave the way for the next hurdle of 0.76. Shifting my attention to our short-term oscillators, I see that the RSI turned down and fell back below its 50 line, while the MACD, although positive, has turned down as well and looks ready to fall below its trigger line. Zooming out to the daily chart, I see that on the 15th of September, the pair rebounded from the upside support line drawn from back at the low of the 20th of January. This keeps the longer term picture cautiously positive. However, I prefer to see a clear close above 0.78 before I get confident on larger bullish extensions. That break would confirm a forthcoming higher high on the daily chart. So that's it for today. For more analysis and charts, please read the full comment on IronFX.com. You can also follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.